This is an optional review on substitution, just if you need another reminder before you can attempt the exercise. When you're substituting, you're going to end up with one of two situations. The first one, you can see we've been given this formula. So Tn equals A plus N minus 1D. Now you don't have to understand what that means in order to be able to substitute and evaluate it. We will learn later on what this is, and this is an equation in sequences and series that we use for working out the value of a term. The second situation is like number 2, you'll be given some values, but when you substitute them in, because S is the subject of our equation, but we're being asked to find U, then we'll have another equation that we need to solve. So we're going to look at both situations now before you can get into the exercise. So in question 1, T to the N equals A plus N minus 1D. So whenever you start this, I want you to start with the equation that you're given. Just because it's really easy to mess it up, and if you do, but you still do everything else right, you can get points if you show all your working out. So then after you've written out your equation, you substitute in your values. So A equals 5, N equals 7, and D equals 5. So then you just evaluate that. 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, so T to the N is equal to 35. Ones like that are really straightforward. The second one, a couple of more steps that you need to do. Again, always start with your formula. Then you want to substitute in, and substitute in for any value in there that you know. So we then know that S is equal to 12. We don't know what U is because that's what we're trying to find, but we know that T is equal to 2 and that A is equal to 1. So then you want to do any evaluation that you can, and in this case we can do the half times 1 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, half times 1 times 4 is 2, so we end up with 12 is equal to 2u plus 2, and this is the equation that we need to solve in order to find u. So 10 is equal to 2u and u is equal to 5. Notice I can switch the sides of the equation around fine. I can move the u to the left and the number to the right. Once I get to the end, it doesn't make a difference. That's what you need to be able to do exercise 3.3. Good luck and I'll see you in class.